I am going to continue with our STAR review. Number 3, ordering the following from least to greatest. The easiest thing to do is put them all in decimal form. This one is already in decimal form. And 8 is in decimal form. So now I need to put 4 sevenths into decimal form. 4 divided by 7. I'll bring my decimal straight up. 7 will go into 40. 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. 5. Add my 0, bring it down. 7 will go into 50 7 times. This is going to give me 49. I'm going to add another 0, bring it down. 7 will go into 10 1 time. 7, 3. This can tell me enough. So I have 8. This is the 0.1. And this is going to be 5, 7, 1. I can add my 0 here, and then 5 eighths. 5 divided by 8. 8 will go into 50 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. Add a 0, bring it down. 8 will go into 20 2 times. 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Add another 0 and bring it straight down. 8 will go into 40 5 times. So I have 8 decimal 6 2 5. And these are all negative. So you can think of a number line here. And it's from least to greatest. So since they're all negative, it is the biggest number. So my biggest number is this one. So that is this is my biggest number without the decimal, so that is without the negative, so that is my least. So it was negative 8 and 5 eighths. It's 1. Then I'm going to go to 2, 3, and 4. So my second one is negative 8 decimal 6. Then 8 and 4 sevenths, negative 8 and 4 sevenths, and my last one is negative 8. So here is my answer from least to greatest. Prime, just a reminder, prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers have only factors of themselves and 1. 1 is not prime. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. They only have 2 factors. The only way you can get 2 is 1 times 2. The only way you can get 7 is 1 times 7. Composite numbers are not prime. 4 is a composite number because you can do 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. Here they broke down 168 with a factor tree. So we're going to do 198. I know I can divide it by 2 because it's even. So 198 divided by 2, 9 times 8 is 18. 1, 18, 9. So it's 2 times 99. I'm going to circle 2 because it's prime. Now I'm going to break down 99. 9 times 11. 11 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. I can break down 9. 3 times 3. So my prime factorizations are all the numbers that I circle. 2 times 3 times 3 times 11. So 2 times 3 squared times 11 equals 198. So the order of operations: parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. In the brackets first. So first we're going to do everything in groups. Do everything that's in the groups. So first we're going to do everything inside the brackets. So and then inside the parentheses. So 18 divided by 2 is 9, minus 3, 5 plus 3, minus 12. Everything else comes directly down. We are still finishing everything inside the brackets. 4, 3 plus 5, and this is my parentheses, so that's what I'm doing next. 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, minus 12, the brackets, plus 7 cubed. I'm still solving inside the brackets. This is multiplication. So 4, 3 plus 30 minus 12 are still inside the brackets. 4, and I'm going to add now. 3 plus 30 is 33 minus 12 plus 7 cubed. 33 minus 12 is 21. 4 plus 7 cubed. 84 plus 147 equals 231. Allison and 2 of her friends were raising money for a ski trip. They have already made $428 last weekend. This weekend they are going to mow 14 lawns and charge $20 per lawn. How much will the girls have at the end of the weekend if they split the money equally? So this is the equation. This is what they have. They are adding 14 times 20 because they are doing 14 lawns and they're doing $20 each. This, and then they're going to divide this answer by 3 because they're splitting it equally. It's Allison and 2 of her friends, which is 3. Now, generate equivalent expressions by using the order of operation in parentheses. Here, I'm going to write it to the side. 2x, well, 2x, I used the distributive properly, so I get 2x plus 6 plus 2x plus 1. Here I will get 4x plus 7. 4x plus 7. Oh, this should be 12. Sorry. Should be plus 13. Because 12 plus 1 is 13. Combine my like terms. This would be distributive property with here 4x plus 32 minus 6. This is 8 plus 13 divided by 2. 8 plus 13 is 21 divided by 2 is 10.5.